you want to start your car, but this happens. So you put your foot on the pedal, it's obviously in park. You press in the start button. Before I do, just want to look at the dash now. Look, click noise, power's gone out, nothing's working. Pressing it again, absolutely nothing. But you did have power initially, so we need to find out what's going on. When something like that happens, the first thing I'd like to do is to have a look at the battery. So you had power initially, and then the power went out. It's very likely for it to do with the battery. So when you come to the battery, then we're going to start looking, is there corrosion or is there a loose terminal? Okay, so you come up to the battery and you see if you can move that terminal with your hand. That's the positive terminal. No, that's tight. Then you go to the other terminal, which is the negative one. You wiggle it around. There you go. That is your problem. You've got a loose terminal. So simple solution. Obviously, all you need to do is to tighten that bolt up, get it to be secure again, and your car will start again and you're good to go.